Tire pressure is not the most exciting topic, but it is very important to check your tires on a regular basis. Hey everybody, this is Missy at Flip My Cycle. Today is Tips with Techs on Tuesdays, and today we're going to talk about checking your tire pressure and how to go about it. The air pressure in your tire can affect stability, handling, tire wear, and traction. How often should you check your tire pressure? As often as possible, at least once a week, especially before you start to ride. And you want to make sure that the tires are cold. That doesn't mean the weather cold. That just means before you start your ride, because tires will warm up as you're riding. There are several different gauges you can use to check the tire pressure. This is a typical one that you'll see pretty much every day. You can find at your local stores anywhere. And they all have the PSI numbers on there. And it also has your KPA on there as well. And then you also have your dial style. They make different ones. And they also have a digital one out there as well. Highly recommend keeping these with you in like your saddlebag, or if you have a little saddlebag on the front, that'd be a great place for them. Okay, so I'm going to show you the procedure of how to check your tires. It's pretty simple. You'll go ahead and unscrew the cap if you have a cap. And it's good to have these caps on there. You can put this end on your tire and you're just going to push down really quick. And it will give you your reading. If it's too low, add air. If it's too high, stick it back on there and release some of that air out, because too much pressure can also cause uneven wear on your tire. Always go by your manufacturer's recommendations on how much PSI is supposed to go in your front and your rear tires. You can find that in your owner's manual. You can also use Google to search the specs on your motorcycle. You can also find PSI information on the sidewall of your tire. It's really small, but you can find it if you look. Usually it's on one side of the tire. And you'll find your max PSI at cold right here. So while you roll your bike forward or backward to have better access to your air intake on the tire, you can also look for wear and tear, uneven wear in your tread, see your tread depth, and look for cracks. Dry rot tends to happen over time, so you want to pay close attention to that because your tread will start separating. If you find any uneven wear, or your tread's really low, or you find dry rot, it's time to change your tire. Thank you for watching Tips with Techs on Tuesdays. We hope you enjoyed this content and that it's helpful. Our next episode is going to be about how to winterize your bike. We hope you hit the like button. If you want any video content on any specific subject or anything like that, go ahead and leave your comment in the comment box and we'll work on doing so. Have a great day and ride safe.